Hey YouTube, sorry about the shaky camera work. I'm doing this with my phone. This is my ASUS, let's see, oh yeah, poor lighting too. Real high quality stuff here. It's an ASUS P5P800-VM. It's old school, DDR1, maxed out at a whole 4 gig. Got a Pentium D of some sort. I think it's like a 800 or something like that. And I won't be load testing this because it's got a dual core cooler on it, and I know it'll get hot. But the point of this video is just to show the hardware store mounts I used to replace the crappy pins. Let's see here. There we go. You can see the ears broke off this pin. Let's see if we can get... Oh, that's probably not going to focus. Anyhow, that's the crap Intel push pin style retaining clip. And that's the hardware store stuff that I installed in here. I'll be doing a little bit of a write-up, and I'll post a link in the video. But I got neoprene washers under the heads, and I've got nylon spacers under the ears of the cooler. That's so you can tighten them up a little bit without warping the board too much. And it's mounted on there pretty good. I've got everything all hooked up. I'm going to boot into a Mint, Linux Mint 5 disk. So here we go. I've not tried to boot this or even go to post. This is the first try. So my ghetto monitor power supply with the binding posts on it, because you know we need 18 watts for a monitor. Okay, let's power there. Let's see what she does. Will it be a ball of fire, or are we gonna boot? Being a live Linux boot disk will take a little while. Hopefully BIOS settings are all such that it will boot from the disk. I wonder what I forgot to do. I'm going to try plugging that optical drive into another slot, and I'll be right back. Okay, so after some troubleshooting and many failed starts, I found that 2 of the Corsair RAM sticks here, I had to switch them. After trying one and then the other and then swapping places, I finally got it running with all 4 sticks. And here we go. I haven't booted it yet. I got it to post, but let's see what happens. Got the Mint 17 XFCE, which runs really good on this old equipment. XFCE or Mate, and I believe LXDE also. I haven't tried Mate or LXDE myself. Nope. Let's see what she do. Here we go. You already missed the splash screen for the ASUS, but oh well. This is my other machine here. I've got Zorn 9 in it currently, which is a variant of Ubuntu. And Windows 10 over there on the Lenovo. Consequently, if anybody has a spare Q6600 or E8400 kicking around, I am looking for a processor for this one. I might have to break down and buy one from eBay. They're only worth about $25 on eBay to people that actually want them anymore. I'm going to have to pick up a couple more gigs for it too on the RAM. I've got 2 gigs of DDR2 in there currently. Amazingly, don't have any blown or swollen capacitors on here. Not sure what the brand is on them. Let's see. They look like they're probably Chemicon, but they don't have a name on them. Oh, let's see, they've got the M on them. I don't recall what brand that is, but I believe it was a good brand, so they're either good capacitors or they're decent counterfeits. There's that old drive still grinding away. And that Pentium is thinking real hard. That's cool to the touch. Northbridge is a little bit warm. Or is that the video? I don't know. You tell me. And by the way, all 3 of these computers here were freebies. This one got an i3 and it had 8 gigs of DDR3, but the 1 terabyte hard drive was DOA, and I'm running a great big huge 80 gig hard drive in there right now. That's all I have for serial ATA. Oh, here we go. It's doing something. There we go. Okay, after some fiddling around and switching out the drive here for something that ran a little better and resetting the CMOS, farting around with some other stuff, I finally got it running pretty good. Able to get up some websites. Couldn't get Linux forums running for some reason, which is odd, and according to Windows 10 it's a known malware site now, so I don't know what that's all about. Anyway, got it running. Got my IR gun here, so let's see, what do we got? 30 degrees Celsius there, and 25, 26 degrees Celsius there. and I've had it running for a good half hour now. Yeah, seems to be alright. On a side note, I mentioned earlier I've got a dual core cooler on there. That's because the Pentium D cooler was a lot taller and had a copper core, and I went ahead and put that on my dual core processor in the Atari. It's actually a Enforce 680i SLI board. That's pretty high-end board for its time, but it's definitely an old-timer. Got Maxima Org up. That's another one of my hobbies, sort of. That's just my car I've been driving for the last 8 years. And there's my Windows 10 system. Anyhow, that's my lame, boring video. Thanks for watching.